See who that is? That's the state prosecutor's office. That's Dwayne G. Davis, not Shorty, Dwayne G. Davis. This was property that was stolen from me. I never got a trial, all right? I never got a trial, and I was kidnapped from Illinois and in Maryland, and the state prosecutor been knowing about this since I did this. What's more, you the governor, all right? No one left behind. No one left behind, however you say what you say. Well, I got first. We talking about corruption in the Democratic Party. We talking about Monopoly, the Cheaters Edition. And we're going to see who faces go in there, all right? Like I said, that's the state prosecutor. That's Erek Barron. Erek Barron you got to produce that evidence. That's President Barack Obama. He asked for an investigation in 2008. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. They're not in office anymore, so they can enjoy the protections of prosecutorial immunity. Governor Hogan, Al Redmer, participated in fraud for the last 8 years. All right? We're talking about the war on drugs. My evidence in Delegate Stephanie Smith's office, Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby, we're talking about a lifestyle. Get caught, get cuffed, you go to jail. That's Judge Bale and Shannon Sneed. That's President Biden in the Department of Justice. And I want criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Right there. Kidnapping. And these is the elected officials that know about it. You see that? State Attorney's Office. You see who got this? These are your elected officials. All right? Everyone attached to this email. Everyone attached to this email has evidence and knowledge of my kidnapping in 2007. Get Shorty, a movie and a video diary, a social media for social change. Everything since 1986, Illinois versus Dwayne G. Davis. All right? And these are the certified mail receipts. So, Erek Barron, make this public like you did the other day. That's my mother and my father. You're supposed to honor your mother and your father, and I have. I never lied, and I told you I was making a documentary. That's covered under the Constitution, First Amendment, freedom of speech. That's my Weaver Award win. I'm a Weaver. I'm also a member of Alpha Justice. I got an Alpha Justice Entrepreneur of the Year Award, Dwayne Shorty Davis. I got a Weaver Award from Governor O'Malley. That's the proclamation from Governor O'Malley. That's Governor Hogan. State of Maryland. Governor citation. Governor Hogan signed that. We're not going back to Reaganomics. We're going to address the war on drugs, the war on the black community. We're not going to keep locking up black Baltimore. We're going to make sure that stops. You're going to get everything from Senator Mikulski. That's Erwin Green. That's David Irwin. That's 2007. You have asked me in regards to 86 CF 293. I'm innocent of all those charges, and Scott Shellenberger used those charges to get an indictment. He falsely took evidence in front of the grand jury. This is February 2019. That's the Attorney General, Department of Justice on Charles Street, U.S. Attorney's Office, Dwayne Shorty Davis. And that's Johnny Oleski asking for an investigation. That's Governor Erek. That's Luke Clippinger. That's Sidnor. That's Shannon Sneed. And this is a legal notice. I got a right to defend myself. It's my constitutional right. And I defended myself. And you got that, Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn. Yeah, you got that. Notarized in 2009. You the Speaker of the House. You got evidence and refuse to address that. Yeah. Racism don't work without black cooperation. You got black elected officials, so now I want you to defend our black bodies. Yeah. I got the awards. I did the accolades. I did everything I was supposed to do. So now I want him charged with kidnapping from 2011. Everything since 2011. Like I said, Baltimore States Attorney's Office. Y'all got this. Senator Van Hollen. Vanessa Attenberry. If you go to Vanessa Attenberry, she got all this. Dr. Bundy got all this. You feel me? Senator Mary Washington, she got this. You see this? ACLU, States Attorney's Office, Baltimore City, Baltimore County, Gretchen Tone, Ted Henn, Delegate Sheila Roof, and my daughter Sierra Davis, Rob Fix Production. All right? It's making a movie about the Democratic Party and the money you make off black bodies. Out for Justice, the criminalization of poverty. 2023, I get justice.